Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to fix preparing list wire try switching to Wi-Fi and restarting the app to resolve the issue. App be light. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your phone setting, tap on this, scroll down little bit, find here apps, search here Facebook Lite. Scroll down little bit, tap on storage, tap on clear cache and clear data, tap on clear cache. After that, tap on your clear data, clear all data, go back, tap on permission, tap on allow all permission, tap on allow. Now go back to your home screen. Tap on Play Store application. Search here Facebook Lite. Your Facebook Lite is already updated and latest version. Now go back to your home screen. Now tap on your phone power icon. Tap on restart button. After restart your phone, hopefully your problem solved successfully. Now go back to your Facebook Lite apps. Hopefully your problem successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.